Yeah, yeah. So we have to continue. As I said, today we are going to work on data cleaning in Pandas. So for us to do that, we have to input Pandas as PD. We run. Then we have to upload our Excel file. So data frame is equals to pd dot read underscore Excel. So we'll do that. We go now on our desktop. We copy our file, customer call list. Copy as part. Our file is customer call list. Copy as part. Then we have to go now and paste it. When we paste it, read it as raw data. Fit arrow at the last on the beginning here in one TF. So this is our data. So our data now contain customer ID, first name, last name, phone number, and others. So our objective is for also data cleaning in Pandas. So we wanted to clean this data. Okay. Now before we do that, I want us to drop this column. Yes, the column will not be important for us. For us to start, we have to drop this column. This is the column, the last column, not useful column. We have to drop this column. Okay. So here now, also drop the column. You have df dot dropped. So you type df dot dropped. You type columns is equals to. Now you have to come and copy the column that you intended to drop. Okay. When you copy that column that you intended to drop, paste it here. So we want that the changes to remain in place. So if it in place is equals to true. Right there, they will run it. When we run it, you write the F to see if really. Now, if you look at the other column, okay, the other column you have do not contact, right? Do not contact now is the last column, but if you look at from the first, do not contact was the second to the last. So obviously shown that we have dropped this not useful column. We have dropped that column, okay, by calling on the f.drop column. So we paste the column name in place equals to true, so that the changes to maintain. Okay. Now let's now move forward. Yeah. So okay, now we have to remove this slash here under what last name. You have to remove this slash here. The slash before the white, this slash they're not supposed to be there. You have to clean it off. You have to remove these three dots. They're not supposed to be there. We have to remove this underscore. Okay. So how can we do that? We let us call df df. Then we copy the column. Is under last name. We just need to concentrate only on that column. Okay. If we don't do that, we are going to remove in all the other, which obviously will not be good. Then we are going to use the strip method. Okay. Strip dot strip. Now at this point, if we need to, we have the strip. Let's say you see on the at the level at the position of pointer, we have three dots, we have this slash, then we have this underscore, so we have to remove them. Okay, now let's continue again. Now at the point of pointer, we put 1 2 3 dot, then we run. Wait, let us rerun it. Let's rerun it. Rerun. Okay, now I say 1 2 3 dot right there. You see now, let's see, put your okay, 1 2 3 dot. Yeah, 1 2 3 dot. We have removed another level of pointer. We're having that now because we did not fit it as a string. Then underscore, wanted to remove also underscore. One, we realize that the underscore that we have at the point of flat descent. Let us go at the flat descent. There's no underscore again. What is left is white, right? The string white, the slash white. Fit the slash and run. We see that at the level of white, there is no thing there again. Are we there? So we have removed everything. Now it is now well clean. Are we there? So now when we do that, we have now to fit in now, because if we call df, just what you do, you just need to you just need to df, the f of last name equals to df. Yes, at this point now we have finally clean this row last name. So if you look at it now, there is nothing there again. Like sort, that dot is not there, the slash is not there, nothing is there. Yes. So we are done with that part. So we have to move on now with this. Fine. So since we have already cleaned this other one, we are moving now forward to the phone number. You see, I wanted us now to work on the phone numbers now, to have now a clean number. That's the phone number to be the same. Okay, all this slash, everything, this dash, it should not be there. Okay, so how are we going to do about it? I've drafted something of this nature. Now I've import ROE. This ROE will help us to do what? To resubmit, to write this code, resubmit. Okay, so now I say okay, df phone number. I came here and I copy the type phone number, right? This is the heading phone number. Copy it because it is that column that we are working on. So when now is equals to the f phone number, I say okay, dot apply. So now I come in now, I send lambda phone, right, phone none. If the PT is null, is phone, else I say resubmit. Now what are we saying? I ask him now, okay, at this point where you have slash, removed this slash, remove this dash, remove the vertical column, remove this other one, okay, and replace it with empty. So at this point, he is going to do what? He's going to remove all this dash, all this vertical slash, everything there, and replace it with empty with null. Are we there? So now when we run it now, run it and you call df. So if you look at it at this point now, we have removed everything, that dash, the slash, everything. Look at it is now clean. Are we there? But it's still yet not still finished. We still have NA, we still have none that we still also need to do, see what to do about it. Okay, so I would love us to replace this none all to none. Okay, because here we have none, we have none, it's not good. It's, yes, I want us to replace those none all to none. Okay, so all this none to none. So for us to do that, I've come out now with various code. We paste all this to none. Now I call df phone number is equals to df phone number dot replaced. Then now give now the various what I need to replace with none. Okay, then when I do that, I run it. Cf call the f. So at this point you will not see none again. Where you see none, all is being replaced by none. Okay, all that none is not there. All where you see none is being replaced by none. Are we together? So we move forward. So we have to still continue at the point of paying of customers. So we have what? We have yes, we have no, we have n. So we need it now to be either yes or no. Where you see y, we should put no. Where you see n, where there's n, we should place what? No. Where there's y, we should place yes, and so on. So it should either be yes or no. So we have to do those cleaning. So now I've written now this code on the aspect on how we are going to do it, because I don't want to delay our time. So I say df, we are on the row of, on the column of paying customers. So df paying customer dot apply. So lambda value no. If pde dot is null value, right? You apply no, or you apply the value. So at that point where you have y, you have to place yes. At the point where you have n, you place no. Okay, so those are the aspects. Yeah. So now let us run the code. When we run the code, at this point now we have run the code. Now paying customers. So we have yes, no, no, yes, yes. So at this point we have cleaned it now. Yes, because if you look at the previous one, you have y, you have n, you have n, you have yes, no, n. So this was the previous one. But if you look at now what we have done, this is what we have done. We have cleaned it. At the point of no, we place yes. At the point of yes, at the point of n, we place no. At the point of y, we place yes. Yes. So let us move forward. So also, if you look at this point where we have do not contact, we have no, yes, none, y, no, yes. So at this point also, we have to also do, we have n. Okay, we have to also clean it. Okay. Yeah, so now I've written a code of do not contact and apply lambda value likewise as what we did up there. So at this point also, when we run this code, tf, we run. Now we have do not contact is either no or yes. If they say, okay, the customer said, do not contact me, you don't contact him. If you say contact him, you contact yes. If you say do not contact me, it's no. So at this point now, we have filled it. It's either yes or no. Okay, either yes or no. So in the position where there was none at that point, we put what no. Okay, so we had either yes or no in the position where the customer said do not contact me. So we have to click it now to click either yes or no. Okay, yes. So if friends, at least we have done something, we don't want to extend this video to be too long. So we wanted to end it at this level. But really, we have done a lot in this today. Let me go back and recap. So from the first, we upload our video. We had launch. We were having a look at our video. We were having this file, not useful color. We drop not useful color. We would like this page. Drop not useful color. After we drop not useful color, we have now this the last column is the last column is so we continue. So when we realize that we have this slash and this other column and also this last column. So what we do, we write a code in order to drop all those slash and that underscore. So we drop those slash and those underscore. That is why you see here on white there was a slash there, it is no more. And also, if you look at on Porter, also the that dash is no more. So we have dropped all those things. Then when we did that, we moved ahead now. Let's move ahead to continue on what cleaning on numbers. This number we have the number, the full number, we have line slash slash. So we write the clean that so clean our phone number. Look at it is now a bit nice. The word is left is just this none. Okay, so we clean that phone number. When we did that by cleaning the phone number, we're left with none and none and NA. So when now we were left with none and NA, we say, okay, let us now remove now NA. Everything should be none. So we remove now NA to replace any position of NA to be known. So at the end now, where you have now NA, you see the known. So at that point, it was not there again. So we then move ahead at this position. We right here replace NA in the position of a number. Yeah, NA is this. With known, we have replaced it with known, yes, known, yeah. Okay, now when we did that again, we do what? With paying customers applied. So at this point now, we are on paying customers. At the position of paying customer, we had what? Yes or no. So now there was Y and No. There was Y and N. So we replace where you see Y it should be yes and where you see N should be no. So we replace everything at this point of paying customer. We replace everything. So when we did that by replacing everything, we were still left now on what? Do not contact. On do not contact also, we have some other NO and Y. then even none. So we did now to replace them is either yes or no. So we replace them on do not contact either yes or no. So we did that by replacing them in order for us to move ahead for our work. Okay? Yeah. Thank you. So I will end with the data cleaning at this level. In the next lesson, we are going to continue. Yes, take care. So don't forget to subscribe. As days are going ahead, the video will keep on prolonging because the work also will keep on increasing. Yes. Okay, take care. Yes, don't forget to subscribe in order for the upcoming video that we are going to work on. So in the days ahead, we are going to continue. So in Pandas, we are not through in Pandas. So we'll keep on working. Okay. Take care. Bye bye. See you next time.